Alright guys, let's go this way. Whoa, okay, here goes the 2500 ProMaster diesel. Uh-oh guys, no hood on it. Y'all know what that means? That means you got some engine work to do, guys. It's a 3-liter Eco diesel, guys. Alright. I did hear them saying there was some noise, so I think what we gotta start off with is teardown time. Oh, there it is, guys. Okay, now I can see the transmission, guys. That is a 6-speed dual active drive transmission. Yes, I had a course on that, I want to say a year ago. Although I seem to think I done forgot what I learned. If you don't jump on this stuff or stay on it, or you don't do a couple within the time you go into training, you may tend to forget some things. That's why they give you books. They give you paperback material to take home with you, because the talking point's gonna maybe etched in your head, but from there you will have to lay hands on it. It's called hands-on training. So yes, you will have to get some hands-on training. But yep, looks like this 3-liter Eco diesel will have to be torn apart. That's the only way you're gonna find out where the noise coming from. Oh man, I have yet to work on one of these. I've done a couple with the Pentastar engine in it, but not the Eco diesel. Okay, guy. All right, guys, let's go this way. Hey, it's an engine over here, guys. Whoa, what is this? Big boy. Is this a Hemi? Like one of the older model Hemis. Wow. I think, guys, don't quote me on this. The older model that had the dual core setup. Okay, it looks like a, Hemi intake, but an engine is an engine is an engine up until you stick the intake on it. It still can be, because they say all of the, what we got back here? Just keep phone. Oh, it's a little tonal back there, guys. Big V8. I want to know what this is going in. Looks like it's on the crate, so it just got here. Let me see. Well, it can't be going on this, and it can't be going on this. But it's in between these two. What is under this hood? Could it be going in this little... No, this is a 3.7. This is a V6. So guys, it's highly unlikely that it's going in this. And it's highly unlikely it's going in this neighbor, which is a Dodge Journey. This could be a little 4-cylinder. I don't know what this thing going in. Now I'm curious. Well, the car actually might be outside, but that is an old Roscoe. So that goes to show you guys, some people want to hang on to their car no matter what. Because with this being, from the looks of the coils, you can tell it's off of an older model car. And we don't even utilize those type coils anymore. So that tells me that their car is worked to them. Okay, keep that in mind, to them. Keep him, okay? Because they're willing to put a used engine in it. Okay? Wow. People still get used 2.7. Look at plug wires. When the last time you seen plug wires on a Hemi? Okay, guys. We did something shocking. All right, let's go this way, guys. I saw my diesel buddy down here. Whoa, what he doing down here? This is a turbo diesel Cummins. Let's see what he got going. Let's be nosy, guys. No, he ain't got nothing major off. He got the airbox and stuff off. Look at that belt, guys. Y'all see that? Wow. He got step ladders right here. So I'm going to utilize it and climb to the top. What we got here? 6.7 turbo diesel. I still can't tell what he's doing, guys. Any diesel guys out there got a pretty good idea what my man doing, just based off the fact that he has the airbox off? I mean, well, that don't tell you much, but hey. You can smell the diesel aroma. Normally I can look at I see a water pump over here. Okay, that explains it. That explains the nice pretty belt. Did he just put that on? Or the customer delivered? Yes, guys, man, these things fail in some of the strangest ways. I seen them, the head just totally loose. Oh, here's this cat I put on. They're probably looking for this. But water pump. So I assume he did a water pump on these. They fairly easy, guys. The water pump. There was a recall on some of the models. I don't know if this is. Yeah, you can see the new head right there. So typically, pretty much reach down there and grab the bolts off of it, and you know you're gonna lose your coolant. Put your new belt on there. Um, Kind of a weird way to route it, but it's routable, and you know we go from there. But other than that, all right, guys, let's go this way. What do we have here? Whoa, whoa, like a 1500. And I see the wheel well off. It can only mean a couple things. Either doing a tune-up or exhaust. Hey, this wheel well still on. Typically, when you see this, somebody doing a tune-up. I showed you how to do a tune-up on a 1500. Matter of fact, watch that video right here, guys. Or exhaust studs. But this, let's go to this. So it obviously go to this Wrangler. Whoa, what we doing to this Wrangler? Okay, looks like some electricity issues. Either that or you're installing some aftermarket, not aftermarket, some accessories. Sometimes when you're installing accessories, guys, you got to go into you got to track down a particular wire that feeds a particular circuit and tie into it. So it might not be an electrical issue, but in fact, this is actually the fuse box. Where's oh, here it is right here. Yes. And don't get it twisted, guys. This is not a TIPM. We are done with the TIPM. There's no more TIPM. We're totally done. Totally. Get it? Totally. TIPM stands for Totally Integrated Power Module. Well, we are totally done with the TIPM. All right. So I'm not sure what he's doing with this. I'll find out tomorrow, guys. We'll chop it up. All right, guys. We're about to go and get some alignment training. Okay. We have a new alignment machine, and nobody really knows how to use it yet. It's actually the new design, new model, and I'm anxious to find out how it works. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go back here and, yeah, y'all see that Honda truck? Go back here and get some training. All right, yes, here it is, guys. I guess they're gonna bring a car on board on the rack and show us. Because as of now, nobody knows. I mean, I'm sure the basics of it all is the same. So, but we need to know exactly what's going on. Yes, there's a Hunter truck. I'm about to get in his ear anyway, as far as setting up the dualies, you know. But guess we can turn. We're about to get started, guys. So, I'm not sure I'll be able to get y'all any footage, but let's get it.